Hey guys, here's Ty again with another video, and today we are going to make some cigarette cookies which are really nice. Yes, right, the sound of every baker's wildest dream. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. The recipe is quite simple, so we're going to start with powdered sugar, which is 50 grams, flour, which is 25 grams. Mix them well till they marry themselves. Add 2 medium-sized egg white. Mix them nicely. At this point, we're going to add 50 grams of butter, which is melted. Mix them well and add 2 drops of vanilla extract. Mix, and last but not least, add a pinch of salt and mix thoroughly. When everything is well mixed, change your mixed batter into a smaller bowl. After you're done, cover it and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take a silicone mat and your batter and partition them however you want, because you're the only one who knows which size you want. Flatten them out as much as possible. You have to be patient a bit, spread them out. Then in the oven at a temperature of 180 degrees for 5 to 8 minutes. Place it on a flat surface. You can choose a wooden spoon or a chopstick, which will give you a more definite shape. But since I didn't have any chopstick, I used a wooden spoon. Roll them as I show you. Press them against the wooden stick and try to remove it carefully. Now let it sit for an hour or 30 minutes depending on how crunchy you want to have it. Repeat the same procedure with your other flat cookies in order to turn them into a cigarette foam cookie. This is my end result. I let them sit for over an hour before they turn into a crunchy cookie. And they're really crunchy and nice. They really taste nice. If you like the video, please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that when I upload another video, you'll get a notification. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay safe.